To use Meta AI on WhatsApp, follow these steps. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. In the search bar, locate the Meta AI button and tap on it. You'll see some suggested prompts. Swipe left to see more options. Choose any prompt that interests you and read about what Meta AI can do. Then, tap Continue. Meta AI will respond in the chat, where you can continue the conversation. Keep in mind that an AI's response may not always be accurate or appropriate, so avoid using it for important decisions. You can also tap the text box to enter your own prompt, similar to other chats. Remember that conversations with AI are subject to community standards and terms of service. Tap the Send button, and Meta AI will respond based on your query. It's important to note that AI systems have only been trained in English, which may result in lower quality responses for languages that aren't currently supported. Swipe down to see the full response, and go back when you're done using Meta AI. That covers everything you need to know about using Meta AI on WhatsApp.